Hello, today I'm going to look at calculating an earthquake location. So you can see on the screen there's 3 seismographs. They show the earthquake movements nearby to these locations. You can see there's a P and an S on each of the graphs. Now, to find the location of the earthquake, the first step is to find the difference in time between the S and the P wave. So for this graph, Panama, the P wave arrived at, if that's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 minutes. The S wave arrived 20, 21, 22, 23, and approximately 45 seconds. 23 minutes, 45 seconds. So the difference between those two is 4 minutes and 45 seconds. So that's the first step, finding the P wave and S wave difference in time. Let's try it for Colorado, or you can try it yourself at home. All right, let's try Mexico. So the difference between those two is 25 seconds difference and 3 minutes. If you minus that one from that one, and the second step, going to this graph here and finding the distance from the earthquake using those times. So if we look at Panama, we have a time difference of 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Now this graph is in seconds, so we need to convert the minutes to seconds. So it would be 4 times 60 plus 45. That's 240 plus 45, which equals 285 seconds. Why don't you try it for the next city? So now that we have our times in seconds, we use the graph. So 285, if that's 200, that's 300. We go along this line till we get to the red line, which finishes here, and then we go down. So it's Panama is 3,100 kilometers. All right, let's try Colorado. These go up in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we're going along this line till we get to the red line, and then we go down. So that's 160 kilometers. All right, last one, 205. So it's 2,100 because it's going up in hundreds along this axis. So we have our 3 distances. These are the distances of the earthquake to these locations. So how far away the earthquake was from these three locations. So we're going to use this now. Our third step is using those calculations we found to figure out where the earthquake could be. Now, to do that, we need to use our scale. You need a ruler and you need to draw a circle around those three cities. So BH is where Panama is. It's 3,100 is how far away the earthquake is from Panama. So we need to draw that distance in a circle, or that's our radius of our circle. So you get a ruler. One way to do it is to draw 4 lines and draw our circle. So the earthquake is somewhere on that circle's circumference. The next one, Colorado. This is Colorado here. It's 1,600, which is there to there. So it's closer to Colorado. So again, use your ruler, or if you have a compass, and draw a circle around Colorado with that radius. A compass is much more accurate than drawing the 4 points. All right, the last one is Mexico City, 2,100. And draw your circle. Now, you're looking at the 3 circles and you're trying to find where they intersect. This is where my 3 circles intersect. So the earthquake location is here. That is the earthquake location.